Alright guys, so you're here at this video because you want to learn how to get free YouTube views. Now there's a ton of different programs out there. I'm sure you've probably tried them all. If you go up and type into YouTube, free YouTube views, there's usually something, there's always a catch, right? Everyone's trying to get money off you. Everybody wants to sell you something. I'm not doing that. So what I've done is I've created this software myself. So I'm the creator of this software. And it's called Hydra Lite. And all you do is you download Hydra Lite and you install it on your computer. I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you install it, you put in your YouTube address and you hit start, and that's it. And it runs entirely in your background. It's awesome. It gets you views, constant views. These two videos right here are getting views from the Hydra Lite only. So these two videos are being boosted right here. Here's the first one. Okay, so this great gal right here, Christine Morel, she was on X Factor 2013, I believe. She was in the top 10. So found this video. It was up on one of my friend's Facebook pages. He had her in his Las Vegas mansion, and she was singing right here in his living room on his piano. So it was really cool, this baby grand. So I took that video with his permission, uploaded it, and they were totally psyched about it. At the time, it was ranking right up at the very top of YouTube, which was awesome. So I was really ranking that high. The other video I did is Sweet Child of Mine. This was a shorts video. And believe it or not, these guys got an amazing voice. That dude right there has a killer voice. So I found this up on Facebook, downloaded it, popped it up here, wanted to see what I could do. It's doing great. It's ranking awesome if you just type in Sweet Child of Mine bowl, because a lot of people are trying to figure out who's the guys with the bowls on their head for this song. And it's a big hit over there on Facebook. Put it up here. Got great views. The Hydra Lite is sending in tons of views. So if you're wanting to do any type of videos up on YouTube and you're wanting to drive views to it, get your, if it's, Fortnite, if it's video games that you're doing, if it's work, if it's local marketing, lead gen, whatever it is, maybe just cat videos or funny videos or animal videos, this is an amazing software. You just download it, put in your YouTube URL, and hit start, and boom, you'll start getting views. So I'm going to open up the software right now and show you what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. This is what it looks like right here. I put my YouTube URL in, and I'm going to hit start. You'll see a quick little pop, okay, right down here at the bottom. And it's this is totally hidden. You can't even click it. If you click it, it doesn't open up. Runs entirely in the background. And this video right here, actually, I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna take a look and see what the video is. Just curious. Okay, it's a Scribble review, how to create a lead magnet. Okay, so this person's already got 53 views on their video, which is awesome. So they've already got 53 views from the Hydra Viper network right here. So they're getting views from other members in the network. Okay, so everybody that installs this, they're watching other people's videos. That's why the views stick so well, is because you're not watching your own videos, you're watching other people's. Now, these stats right now are not working. I'll have an update out very soon. So while it's saying 0 views, trust me, you are definitely getting views. So you've got lots of views coming in, and that's it. Just hit stop, hit start, and off to the races it goes again. And now I've actually got 2 windows down here working away. So each of them are watching videos, doing video searches. So this is awesome. This is just a great free piece of software. There's no registration. There's no credit card. There's no strings attached. Just download it, install it, put your URL in here, your video URL. It needs to be a watch URL. Put it in here, hit start, and boom, off it goes. And like I said, totally free. So feel free to share this with your friends, anybody else that you know that would benefit from it. It's a great software. Get it out there, download it, share it, all that good stuff. You'll be getting a link here. In fact, I'll be, let's see here, let's go to the link. I'll show you down here in the description, and you'll just be able to click it. It'll go to a Google Drive. You can download it, and it's going to be awesome. So again, thanks for watching this. Get out there, put the software on your computer, let it watch those videos, and get you ranked up in Google. All right, guys. Cheers.